welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and today is my wash day video. I've gotten a lot of requests to do a dedicated video to my wash day. I've hesitated to do it only because it's just so simple. Like, I've hesitated to do it, but you guys wanted it, so here it is. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share, and let's get into this video. Before we get started, this video is in collaboration with Qimistri. They sent me this amazing 2-in-1 head towel and hair wrap. I'll show you how I use it later in the video, so keep on watching. I always start off with rinsing my hair first. So I break up all of the dirt with just water. Break it up, anything, any debris that's able to just rinse off my hair. That's what this rinse is for. So the first shampoo is to break up the oil and debris, and the second shampoo is to make sure it's cleansed and washed away. After I am done shampooing, I will then go in with a rinse out conditioner. I think this is like a pre to the deep conditioner. Like, just like you pre-poo, you pre-shampoo, this is like my pre-deep conditioner. I absolutely love this deep conditioner because it locks in the moisture that I need. And if I'm going a full 2 weeks without shampooing my hair again, this conditioner, like, it holds the moisture that I need. And I think it was only $11.99 at Target. And you know, you guys know I love a bang for my buck, and this deep conditioner gives me exactly what I need. Once my deep conditioner is fully rinsed out, because you have to really make sure you rinse those masks and deep conditioners out because they cling to your hair, and sometimes your style is not turning out right because you still have deep conditioner in your hair. So make sure you thoroughly rinse out the deep conditioner. After that, I will, instead of the t-shirt method, I will use this head wrap. It doubles as a towel from Qimistri. Oh my goodness, guys, this absolutely like got the job done, okay? It does not cause any tension. You know how sometimes when you put headbands on, it kind of pulls in one area, or it's really tight right here and it causes you to have a headache. This does not do that at all. It is super soft and lightweight. It reduces frizz and friction, so we don't have to worry about breakage. I just wanted to make sure you guys saw how my braid out turned out the next morning. I will leave a link to this company down below. Definitely go check them out. Also sent me this body butter. I love a good glow, a good shine, and this is a whipped body butter that when you initially like rub it, it does feel like a butter, and as you rub it in, it kind of turns into an oil. But I absolutely love this brand. Comment below if you have tried this and what are your thoughts. And until the next time, guys, be love.